No, ma'am.
Okay, so complete all
Ma'am,
the tasks. What I'm Yes, Manvita.
ma'am, the lovable tool it's not coming, ma'am, because it's asking the to pay the pro version, ma'am. It's asking 29 rupees or 25 rupees, ma'am.
No. We can practice in free version. Don't go for premium. I will show you now.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to do in free version, but it's showing me that only, ma'am. It's not
See,
taking me into the free version.
let me show you. See, first time if you open Lovable, the link what you are entering, is it correct? Lovable.dev, D-E-V.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to login or get started. For the first time, click get started and click here, continue with Google. Okay. If you select this, you need to log in with your Gmail account. So once you do the login, you will get the interface like this. No need of going for premium. When we require premium, if you want to publish that website in a particular link, then you need. Okay. So have you seen this interface, Manvita?
Yes, ma'am.
So after coming here, when you are getting the premium,
Ma'am?
see after opening to the home page, you have given the prompt here, right?
Yes, ma'am. I given the prompt I was sending, but it's not able to I was not able to send, ma'am, because it is asking the premium level.
No, see here, design a website for school. I have given a simple prompt here and click enter. There
Yes.
will be a free credit limit also. If you exceed that limit only, it will ask you to upgrade to premium. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I have entered a simple prompt, right? So the process of creating a website was started here.
Okay.
Okay. You will get the preview also. When you want to publish in a domain, then it tells you to upgrade. Okay. So what kind of school it is? Some questions. So which color pattern you want? What is the title and what is the home page layout? So some questions it is asking, right? So you can submit all the questions because the prompt was not clear. So that's why it's asking the questions. Have you connected through a laptop? Then you can share your screen. I can see Manvita.
Yes, ma'am. I have in laptop only.
Will you share?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And what about you, Aryan? Open the Lovable tool.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here you have given a prompt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Click enter. Click enter. Yes. Click enter. It started creating a website. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If it want any details, it will ask you some questions. Okay. Because if the prompt was not clear, then it asks some questions.
Okay, ma'am.
So it takes some time. So you can tell the curriculum.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Submit. Okay, it takes some time and design a website for you. In the top right hand corner, you will get the publish button. If you click that, you can publish in a temporary domain. Okay. So you can
Okay.
copy that link and share.
Okay.
Let the screen, you keep it like that only. At the end of the class, we can see whether the website was designed or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can stop sharing when we go. Keep the window as it is in your system and open the class. Okay. Yes. So Gamma, Manvita tried. What about you, Aryan? Have you tried the Gamma tool?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that gamma tool is there, no, ma'am.
Yes.
In that, like, which type of like, uh,
You have to
how
create
do
the
we?
presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Presentation. Have you practiced?
I tried, ma'am, but that
You
that
did not get
thing.
the presentation output?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? So have you tried practicing creating presentation or something other, anything
Presentation, ma'am.
web page?
Presentation,
So
ma'am.
create, yes. See the process, create new. You have used the first one, right? Generate.
Yes, ma'am.
So the presentation, okay, this one you have selected. And did you give the prompt?
Uh,
What prompt
yes,
have you
ma'am.
given?
I'm uh, make a presentation on a new school, like
Have
that.
you given the prompt here in this box?
Yes, ma'am. When I'm pressing the generate outline, it's like lagging, ma'am. I don't know why.
So here, if you click generate outline, it's taking time.
Too much time, ma'am.
So here, no, it will create instantly. So all the 10 slides, the content, it was generated. And if you get down, you can select the which style you want, color pattern, everything. If you select and click here, the generate option will be there because this one. Okay, all the options you have to select and click generate. The generation process will start. Okay. So if your credits were completed, then it tells you to upgrade. Okay, so you can try logging with another Gmail account if the free credits were exhausted in particular account. Today, again, you try to create a presentation, Aryan. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can create 3, 4 presentations as well. Will you use Canva website? Canva.